Hey, Team America.
General Mark D. Kelly, commander of Air Combat Command, visited Nellis Air Force Base last week. During his visit, he was able to fly alongside young United States Air Force weapons school pilots. General Kelly says he's not required to fly, but doing so helps him understand the pilots and their modern challenges.
I can read about or see on slides challenges with sustainment, challenges with airspace, challenges with scenarios, challenges with just the duty day of our aviation nation. But I won't really understand it or keep tabs with it and keep a pulse on it unless I get out there every now and then and see what's going on.
This marks General Kelly's first visit to Nellis since taking command this past August. Reporting from Nellis Air Force Base, I'm Airman First Class Christopher Stolze.